Today we have the 2020 Ford Focus. This vehicle has done just under 40,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access Full Pass Connect, valet mode, mobile apps, navigation, and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below, we have our AC. If we press our mode button, we can switch between normal, eco, sport, slippery, and trail. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full cloth black interior.